In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default disappearing message timer on WhatsApp Web. This is a handy feature that allows you to automatically make your messages disappear after a certain period, helping keep your conversations clutter-free and enhancing privacy. Let's dive into the process without delay. First things first, make sure you are logged into your WhatsApp account on your computer by visiting web.whatsapp.com. Once you're on the home screen, you'll want to move your attention to the left side of the interface. Look for a small icon which represents your profile, usually located near the bottom left corner. Clicking on this icon will open up your profile settings, where you'll find the various options to customize your WhatsApp experience. Now that you're within your profile settings, the next step is to locate and click on the privacy option. Privacy settings are crucial for managing how you interact with others on WhatsApp, and this is where you can adjust who sees what and how your information is shared. By selecting the privacy option, you're one step closer to setting up your disappearing messages. Once within the privacy settings, you'll see a feature labeled Default Message Timer. Clicking on this will allow you to choose your preferred duration for disappearing messages, but before you make your selection, it's worth considering how long you'd like your messages to last. Options usually range from 24 hours to a longer duration of 7 days or even 90 days. Think about the nature of your chats and how long you typically need information to stay visible. After clicking on Default Message Timer, it's time to make your selection. Here, you'll see different time options listed. You can select the time that best suits your needs by clicking on it. Once you've made your decision, confirm your selection. Your chosen default timer will now apply to all new conversations, unless you manually change the settings in individual chats. Setting up a default disappearing message timer can help maintain your privacy and ensure that sensitive or temporary information isn't left hanging in your chat history longer than necessary. It also provides an easy way to keep your messages curated and to the point. Remember that each setting applies only to new conversations created after the change, so any existing chats will not be affected unless you adjust them manually. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to manage disappearing messages on WhatsApp Web effectively. As always, make sure to revisit these settings periodically to ensure they still meet your needs, as privacy needs might change over time. Thank you for joining me today, and happy messaging!